my name is Chavi. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be reviewing these eyeshadow brushes from Amazon. So this is a set of 8 brushes for 279 rupees only, and I've created this look using these brushes. So yes, if you are interested, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let me show you the brushes first. This is how the packaging looks like. It's a very sturdy packaging. ये बिल्कुल वो पतले वाला plastic नहीं है. It's like a pouch. So you can keep all of your brushes over here. Then we have, as I told you guys, 8 brushes in here. So this is what they look like. We have a lot of blending brushes. You can see there is a round brush. It is a little bit tilted. I don't know what it is, like maybe it was kept this way. So I don't know in सबके अलग-अलग uses क्या होते हैं, but we do have a lot of brushes. Also this will be very good if you want to keep that highlighter in your inner corners. So yes, these are the brushes we are working with today, and I have high hopes, like seriously. And if they work well, 279 for these brushes is such a great deal. So yes, let's dive straight into this and see if they work for us or not. Alright, I'm barefaced, as you guys can see. I only have my skincare on. So I will do my makeup first, do my concealer, because I am not actually putting any foundation nowadays because it's so freaking hot. So concealer में हो जाता है. I will only put my concealer, some blush, lipstick, eyes, and I guess we are done. So I will put my concealer and I will be right back because we'll do our eyes together. Okay, wait, I was about to do my concealer. I usually blend using my ring finger. So I have this brush over here. I guess we'll try this for our concealer and see if this works or not. Then let's start blending. These are very soft. Alright, so now you can see my face, my texture, my everything. So now you know what actual makeup looks like. So I'll just blend my concealer using this brush. By far it's good. It's a little bit soft for a concealer, but I think it works. Nice, it did a great job. Now I'll use my finger over here and we'll see which one looks better. Finger ka is obviously a lot quicker, so I would prefer finger, but let's see if the difference is clear. So you can see the coverage over here is a lot if compared to this one, but it also works nice. तो हम finger भी use कर सकते हैं. This brush is also great. This is kind of angular, you guys can see. So it did a great job over here, but I like using my finger more because you can see the coverage is amazing, because obviously the product isn't going anywhere, it's on your finger. So yeah, I guess we are done with our eyes ka concealer. As I told you guys, I'm not using any foundation or any concealer on my face. You do see a lot of acne marks over here. These are all marks, no new breakout whatsoever, thanks to this video over here. So yes, let's get started with our eyes now. I think I'll do something pink. Pink I always do, no? So I think we should go for something like wine. I haven't done wine color on my eyes ever, and it looks so beautiful on others. I'm always so afraid of doing that, but I guess we'll do it now. I'm using this Revolution Courage Wild Animal palette. So moving on, we have these brushes over here. For my transition shade, I guess I will use which one? I guess this one. This looks nice. ये बहुत ऐसे fluffy है, so it will be great for blending. And for my base shade, I'm using this one over here, this shade. It picks up the color really beautifully. As I told you, it's really soft on your eyes, so I like that. So it's also blending very beautifully. You guys can see like कितना seamless लग रहा है, जबकि मैंने अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं करा. So वो एकदम से ब्रश ने प्रोडक्ट लेके एकदम ऐसे रख नहीं दिया है कहीं भी. So it's blending very seamlessly. Alright, moving on, I will take this brush over here. It's that dome shaped one, and it is a little bit dense, so I think I will take this to put some wine shade over here on my eyelids. And for that I will be using this one, this beautiful wine shade over here. It's like a shimmery shade, and I'm using this one for the very first time, and let's see how that goes. Whoa, it's picking up the shade so beautifully. I'm just blending it with the brown over here. This shade over here, just putting a little bit upper. Taking this brush again, taking some brown and blending it with this over here. Can you see? It is blended so beautifully. I'm loving this transition going on over here. This is so freaking beautiful. Then moving on, I think I will use this shade. I'll take this on my finger and just put it over here. Taking this brush and just blending it. I'm again taking this shade on my finger and putting it in my inner corner like that. I'm taking this clean brush and just brushing it over here to blend everything seamlessly. And this is how it's looking. I think it's looking very nice, very subtle, not so loud. This shade over here, taking it on this pointy pencil brush. Beautiful. This is looking so freaking beautiful. I'll do the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm done with this eye as well, and this is how it's looking. I'm loving these colors. So I know it's not perfect. I'm not perfect at all at makeup, at least. It's a journey, seriously, because I am learning too. So if you are a beginner, you can go for these brushes. These are working great for me, and if you're a beginner, I think it will work great for you as well. But I'm really loving these colors over here. Like, they blend in so freaking beautifully, and the brushes have worked great for me. So yeah, these get a huge thumbs up from my side. I haven't actually tested these two brushes, but again, और सारे brushes are working beautifully, so these will work too. So also, I'm done with my eyeshadow. Moving on to mascara, I'm using this new Wet n Wild Max Volume Waterproof Mascara, and so beautiful packaging, I must say. So I will be using this. I got this yesterday only. I wanted a mascara for so long now, so I got this one, and this is what the wand looks like. Also, it's very different from other mascaras that I've had. The wand is so flexible. Can you see this? It's like so freaking flexible. I love it. So you can reach into these corners without poking anything into your eye. So let me just show you the difference. All right, can you see the difference already? I'm loving this mascara. Like, this is my absolute favorite already. Like, can you see the difference only in one coat? Like, seriously, guys, this is amazing. Like, can you see? There is a visible difference. You need to give it a try and let me know if you like it too. Then I think we're done with our eyes. I'm not putting any eyeliner whatsoever. And moving on to my lips, I'll be using this nude shade from My Glam Lit Satin Matte Lipstick, and it's Two Broke Girls. So this is what the shade looks like. It's a very beautiful nude shade, brownish nude shade. Beautiful. And this is the final look. I'm not putting any highlighter. I think I don't need it. Finally, I love how my makeup is looking. Also, you can see how less product I've used, like only concealer, eyeshadow, blush and lipstick, and this is what you get. It's looking so freaking beautiful. I love it, and these brushes get a huge thumbs up from my side. The quality is amazing. The bristles are so soft, won't poke into your eyes. They blend very beautifully. So yeah, also the price is amazing. For $279, 8 brushes, good deal. And for the mascara, you already know how much I love it. So yes, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. You know the drill, and I will meet you in my next video very soon. Until then, goodbye.